Is it time to buy or sell JYD Global Logistics Limited stock? In this video, we will delve into JYD Global Logistics Limited. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of April, 2025, our system has identified JYD Global Logistics Limited as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.80. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has incurred a loss of 23.18%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.55% since being designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, which may present a notable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend threshold of -0.386 be breached, it will signal a more pronounced decline. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of -30.72% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between -100% and 1,776.05%. When we consider the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 67.35%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -27.36% to 5,050.39% over the next year. In current terms, this would mean a future price range between 0.193 and 13.67. Our latest daily update for JYD Global Logistics Limited includes the headline: Significant movements in JYD Global Logistics Limited stock price on Wednesday, with fluctuations reaching 116.66% between high and low. The JYD Global Logistics Limited stock price increased 160.20% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, rising from 0.102 to 0.265. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 116.66%, with a day low at 0.148 and a day high of 0.320. The price has shown volatility over this period, resulting in an 8.86% gain over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 390 million more shares were traded than the previous day, with a total of 415 million shares exchanged for approximately $110.24 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $8, while the lowest price was 0.09. Currently, the price is 96.68%, or $7.73, below the 52-week high of $8, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. JYD Global Logistics, trading under the symbol JYD, has recently made headlines with its filing of the 2024 annual report on Form 20-F. This comprehensive report includes the company's audited consolidated statements, providing essential transparency that may enhance investor confidence and stabilize the stock price in the short term. Additionally, JYD's recent launch of an exclusive chartered air cargo service between Fuzhou and Jakarta can be seen as a strategic move to expand its operational footprint in Southeast Asia, a region rich with e-commerce potential. Such initiatives typically bolster revenue prospects, which can have a positive impact on stock performance moving forward. Moreover, JYD has regained compliance with Nasdaq's minimum bid price requirement, reflecting improved financial health and restoring investor confidence after previous compliance concerns. This regained compliance may prevent potential delisting risks and provide a favorable backdrop for a potential upward trend in the stock price. Coupled with its strategic partnership with Lazbao Group to tap into the growing Southeast Asian e-commerce market, these developments signal an operational expansion that could enhance revenue streams. Supporting a bullish outlook for JYD in both the short and long terms, analysts remain optimistic that these strategic initiatives will foster sustainable growth and increase shareholder value. analysts have assigned Jayud Global Logistics Limited stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For the return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Jayud Global Logistics Limited. Volume is rising along with the price, which is viewed as a positive technical signal. However, there are also some negative signals that may impact short-term developments. The stock of Jayud Global Logistics Limited is currently showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, indicating that the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $0.271 and $2.90. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 1st of April, in the year 2025. And since then, the stock has experienced a decline of 96.67%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 24 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 13 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 5 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Jayud Global Logistics Limited. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $0.244. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased, as a drop below the support at $0 may result in a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. And with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $0.172 between its high and low, which is 116.66%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 69.22%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Jayud Global Logistics Limited, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio reflects a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently shows negative PE ratios, it may suggest a lack of profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Jayud Global Logistics Limited. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Jayud Global Logistics Limited is at $0.275. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Jayud Global Logistics Limited faces its first support level at $0.244. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Jayud Global Logistics Limited stock a good buy? Jayud Global Logistics Limited presents several negative signals and is currently in a broad downward trend. Therefore, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the coming days or weeks. As a result, our assessment of this stock has shifted from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, Our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of April, we expect JYD Global Logistics Limited to open lower by 0.02 of a dollar and begin trading at 244 1/1000ths of a dollar. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.